In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete old leads in Pipedrive 2026 step-by-step beginner tutorial. If your leads inbox is cluttered with records you no longer need, cleaning them out will make your workspace faster and your reporting clearer. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to your Pipedrive account and that you have permission to delete leads. Keep in mind that deleting a lead removes it from your leads inbox and may also remove notes or activities tied specifically to that lead. If your company has data retention rules, follow those, and only delete records you're certain you no longer need. First, look to the left side of your Pipedrive screen and click Leads. This takes you into Pipedrive's lead area, which is separate from your deals pipeline. Leads are typically earlier stage prospects that haven't been qualified into deals yet, so it's a good habit to keep this space tidy. Next, click on Leads Inbox. This is the main view where your captured and imported leads live. You may also see other tools in this area, like prospecting features, but for deletion, the inbox is where you want to be. Give the page a moment to load so you can see the current list of leads. Now, select the leads you want to remove by checking the box next to each one. You can select a single record or multiple at once. Take a moment to double-check the names and any key details you can see in the list, and only mark items you're completely confident are outdated, duplicates, or irrelevant. Deleting fewer, well-validated records is always safer than bulk deleting something you might still need. With your selections made, click Delete. Depending on your layout, this may appear in the top toolbar or near the list actions. Pipedrive will prompt you to confirm, and this is your last chance to review. Read the confirmation message carefully. If everything looks right, confirm to proceed. The selected leads will be removed from your inbox. In some accounts, deleted items may be recoverable for a limited time. In others, deletion is permanent. When in doubt, check your team's policy or ask an admin how long deleted records remain restorable. That's it. You've just cleared out old leads in a few quick clicks. Keeping your leads inbox lean helps your team stay focused on the prospects that matter most and reduces noise in your follow-up lists. If you're doing regular cleanup, consider setting a recurring reminder to review stale leads so you can maintain a healthy, current pipeline. Thanks for watching, and great job streamlining your Pipedrive workspace.